Hi everyone, this is Charlie from Voodoo Authentica of New Orleans. I am a spiritualist and medium, priest of Palo Mayombe and Voodoo. I have messages from Spirit for you today, and I'm going to be using the New Orleans Voodoo Tarot deck to divine those messages. The New Orleans Voodoo Tarot deck is one of my most favorite divination tools when I want to offer an intuitive oracle style of reading. And the artwork and energy that's woven through this deck is so adequately expressive of the rich cultural heritage of New Orleans. So one of the things I love most about this deck is its inclusive vibe. This is for everyone. So if you're beginning to explore your spiritual path, or you're an advanced practitioner and anywhere in between, everyone can receive insights, messages, guidance, and blessings through developing relationships with the spirits of New Orleans Voodoo with the deck. So get your hands on this deck. We have them at the shop for you. Come in and visit us at 612 Rue du Maine or give us a call. We're always happy to connect with you any way we can. So today is testing your intuition. I am going to shuffle the deck and I'm going to pull 2 cards out for you. Do not overthink this. Where your eye goes, pick that. Go with your instincts. If you can't decide, listen to both messages, but really try to follow your instincts. It's going to be challenging because our eye may go one place and go, well, I don't know about the other one. You're going to get it all, but this is a test to follow your intuition. It's so important that we don't overthink and that we lead with our heart and lead with our gut. How often do we overthink this process? So why not have a little fun and engage our gifts, our instincts? So I'm just going to shuffle, go with the flow, relaxed vibe, and I'm going to ask God and the ancestors and the spirits of New Orleans Voodoo to guide me in delivering their messages to us today. And as I'm doing this, just take a few deep breaths and tune into your intuition. If you have to drop into your gut or into your center, imagine some light shining in there. Put your focus there. So you don't get to see the cards. You just get to intuitively pick one. You ready? So, those who picked card 1 have Shi-Li-Bo Nouvavou come through here. This is about celebrating your natural state. This is about getting out of your own head and returning to self-love. This is about taking this week time to celebrate something about yourself that is beautiful. Something about yourself that may need a little extra care. We all have insecurities, but what can you celebrate? We are alive. That is worth celebrating. Start from there. But this is a week for you of self-love, of returning to looking through the perspective of beauty, of self-appreciation. Maybe draw yourself a luxurious bath with some beautiful fresh flowers. A little bit of Florida water, maybe a little bit of essential oils. Always make sure that you test it on your skin first for sensitivity, but indulge. Do something to evoke inner beauty and appreciation of your individuality and the beauty that you have in your natural state. Take that message. Those who got card 2, we have Secret Society. Okay, so this is about exploring aspects of yourself that you may hide from others. This is about re-evaluating what you choose to give to other people in terms of your personal information. Maybe you give too much. You have control over how much people know of you and to what end. Okay? Maybe you're not opening up enough to people that you trust and love. It's about checking into this, and it's also about exploring aspects of ourselves that we may not want to look at. Actually, these have a lot in common, if you think about it, right? So, for the people that chose card number 2, it is about those secretive places. It is about making sure that you remind yourself that you are in control of that process, whether it be opening up or closing a little bit down and giving a harder boundary. I hope that was helpful, and I hope it engaged your intuition and was fun. Please know at Voodoo Authentica of New Orleans, we are here for you 11 to 7, 7 days a week to continue to aid you and guide you on your spiritual journey. We're sending you a ton of love and blessings, as always, and I thank you so much.